Hello and welcome to another video in the devlog of Soul Runner. This is me, Daniel of Daniel Game Studios. Um, I wanted to introduce you guys to our new guy, but I have not heard from him in a bit, so it's a bit of a predicament. But yeah, our new guy, Sean Reed. He is the sorry, he's the guy who has made this level, and the materials and textures and all that for this level. Uh, it's a more complex level, but this is going to be our first level. There's still half of it that I haven't lit up or done anything to. It's just kind of separated by this wall here. There are some small errors, like how this face here is missing, um, but I'll work on that. Well, Sean will work on that because he's doing all the Blender stuff or whatever. Yeah, we we have them added into the maps and save selected, loading end. We have him loaded into the credits now. Can still go to the main menu. The main menu still works. All that still works. If I go back to level 1, the first level lights up. I have some of the changing walls back in. Let me just play this level real quick. So there's the one behind. I also have flickering lights because I thought that would add to the horror of the game. I still have some extra walls to add in, but I'm thinking of just doing this as a build for the sake of having something built. I do have enemies out. I haven't actually tested the feasibility of this level with the enemies here. They should be enabled. Their AI, I believe, is enabled. It's still stupid. Still need to make their AI better. Yeah, they're still kind of morons, but they're my morons. If that helps at all. No, it probably doesn't. Ooh, I almost didn't. But that guy wants me dead. The game definitely is more interesting. Uh, just personally, I find it. Oh shit! How did that guy? Okay, yeah, yeah. I have them enabled, right? I'm gonna find that out after I get the last orb. Um, Still waiting on the new texture work for the new replacement. I have some of these blood splatters. It's a cool little thing that he added in. Where the hell is the last orb? I know it's somewhere around here, I thought anyway. I'm working on a vision system for the AI. It just isn't that good. So I have it set to their old methods still. Ah, see the changing wall. Yeah, then there's the credits. In here, you can press quit. You can go to the credit settings. All that still works. Yeah, the game really has updated a lot since I last did a devlog. Sorry, I haven't done them more often. It's just that we really only just got the guy, and every time that I think about doing a devlog, I think about how close I am to finishing up the next feature, the next whatever. But yeah, I'm thinking of compiling this as a build real quick, putting it up, and continuing to add the rest of the walls for the day. Because so far there are only 4, if you include the exit, 3 if you don't. So yeah, I still have some work to do. Um, Actually, let me try building it live. Project setting, no, they have updated this a bit. Linux support hasn't been fully, haven't fixed the Linux platform status. Shipping, all devices, installed SDK. Oh yeah, I probably should do this real quick. I'll restart later. And I will package the project over to my NAS, Devlog Games Project Soul Runner build. I'm just going to make a temp. So this will be 1 dot, or 0 dot 1 dot. I'm doing a rebase. This can be 0.1.1. I'm going to actually rename this folder to 0 dot 0 dot 0 dot 0 dot. I think this was dot. Well, I'm doing a rebase for the sole purpose of how I'm going to have this working. Is the major one. That's not going to become a 1 until sorry, that's not going to become a 1 until the game is fully and completely done. Until the game is fully and completely done. And then this will be for each level. There'll be a 0 point whatever release. And then for each mod to a level or each fix of a level, there will be another point release. So once a level is made, it gets a point release. And then once that level is finished, and as that level is being finished, it gets smaller level point releases. You can't build directly to a folder with dots, so I'm going to name this and just put the game in there for the time being. I wonder how much bigger the game's going to get, considering. It shouldn't get too much bigger, but I do actually have textures and everything now, so that always modifies it. I'll come back once these shaders are compiled. Till then, I'll just try pausing it in OBS. I've never actually done that before. Okay, it just finished. Now I'm going to try running it. Level fatal error. Not decompressed shader. Yeah, I'll be back when I fix that. Okay, after a lot of trial and error, I got it working. I can move this up to, yeah, 150. Desync on, ultra, 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 ultra. And move this to full screen. Apply, back. Credits, they work. Start game is broken, of course it is. Okay, well, I guess I need to file up the engine again. Of course I do. Because nothing ever just works. No, no, no. Let me just load the U project. Off my NAS. You in it now. Apparently what I had to do is I basically had to rebase, so this is basically a new project, but I copied all the files from the old project, so I didn't lose any data. I just lost whatever was, like, saved or whatever. Okay, so I think I know what the problem is. In the menu UI, in the menu UI, widget blueprint. Oh, let me move this over here. And if I go to the graph, it is executing a console command. Yeah, I want to open level 01 file and save. So now if I hit play, start game, it loads and good. I'm just missing huh. Yeah, that's just perfect. Oh no, no. Ah, the shaders are just compiling. So it isn't that I lost anything, it's just that shaders haven't compiled. I'll come back once shaders compile, I guess. Yeah. Okay, I think it's working again. So now if I go back to the menu and I press play from the menu and I hit start game, yep, it is not letting me walk. Range. Play. Yeah, I can't walk. Just a thing. Any second now. Or why it wasn't letting me move. Actually, if I have to do a build for Windows, I want to launch the level itself and see if press play from the. Ah, okay. Okay, it's just not getting any input. Huh. Is it because of what it thinks is a bad size? It's not a bad size. It's where does it think it's not a bad size? Okay, that's not a bad size. And okay, it thinks that the floor is higher than the floor is. Whatever. Is it because of grid mapping? No. Where play? Yeah, no, it's just not letting me walk. Okay, that could be because of blueprints. They're under import first person blueprints. First person character. Event that provides the current value move forward axis once per frame when input is enabled for the containing actor. Input isn't enabled. You're kidding me. Event that provides the current value of turn axis once per frame when input is enabled for containing actor. Huh. Kidding me. Okay. Event begin play. Enable input. Enable input. Targeted self and player controller. Okay. Yeah, no, it doesn't work. Class settings. Parent class, character, advanced, duplicate, drag. This makes no. Okay. Yeah. Class defaults. Motion controllers, finger index, touch. Samloss, Samcam look. Auto passes AI relevant to owner. Rendering input. Input. Use input. Does that help? No, of course it doesn't. Okay. So class settings, class defaults. Oh, strange. Die. Enable input. Okay, let me look this up real quick. Fixed it. If you are an Unreal dev and you are having this problem, what you have to do is you have to go to Edit, Project Settings, Input, and then you have to add the correct axis mappings and action mappings. So yeah. So now that that's fixed, now that I fixed those two bugs, this will be version 0.0.1, yeah. 0.1.1, yeah. File, no, platform, Windows, actually, number one, I should make sure that you are right there, yes, okay. Now I will file, save all, and I will platform, Windows, package project, and go to the temp folder. Games, project, and build, temp. Now I'll let that package, and I'll come back. Okay, it works. I can press start. I can go around and play the game. The lights are flickering, the wall just changed. And, you can press exit, you can quit, you can play the game. Let me know about anything you think I can do to make it better. Bye.